Okay, so I took my first dose of semaglutide Thursday. So it's been a few days now. And it started today, but I have the worst hiccups. Is anybody else dealing with this? Like, are semaglutide, Ozempic hiccups a thing? Because I cannot get them to stop. Like I'll get them to stop for a little while and then they just come right back. Does anybody have any advice?